Okay, this is the Pagani Huayra. This car is amazing. I've got several Paganis at home on the different main lines and different colors. This one though is a rock star. Let's see if we can get zoomed in. Check that out. I'll pull it up a little closer in a second. But the black mirrors in the front, very delicate, like would fall off very early. The rims, I really like the silver edge on the rims, on the tires. It could be maybe a little more detail on the back, but I guess it's pretty spot on. The front looks nice, a lot of detail. Yeah, I can't complain too much about anything on this. Like, the gaps are really good. It does have the moving part here that I'll take it off in just a sec. Let me see. So we'll get a close-up of this. This was a little bit tricky to get off the first time I did this, but we got it now. So here's the engine detail. I like it. It's nice. I don't know if I thought maybe it would be a little bit more, I don't know, I don't want to say colorful, but like maybe there'd be a little bit more coloration in it, but yeah, it's still nice details. Let's look at the bottom of this one. Yeah, see, the bottom, that's where it doesn't do, I mean, it's just a basic flat casting, nothing super special there. Let me see if it pulls it up over this way. So, yeah, I mean, it's nice, but it's nothing extra special. Let's see, put this back on. I did. It clips in pretty nicely, easy. It's got the Pagani logo there. Well, let's get it back into camera focus here. Pagani logo there, looks good. I think there's another one there. Nice details, nice silver metal flake. It's got the, let's see if I can get this in focus for you guys. There you go. Wire on there. Same thing on the other side. It's really nice. Really sharp casting. This one is one of my favorites that we've gotten so far. Like, this is definitely my favorite Pagani I've got, but it's also, you're spending a little more money. The box art was not a whole lot to look at. It was kind of generic, but it's not as detailed as like the Jaguar or the Toyota was. It does have some nice details about the Pagani on here. But yeah, it was a little more basic than maybe they could have done a little more on the box art if you're into that kind of thing. But overall, it's a pretty nice casting. Let's see. Looking back at it now, this is, I mean, let's see. I would say it's probably a, you know, like a solid 80 for the Pagani. I don't want to score anything too high because you gotta, like, you know, have a mark to go above. But it's definitely, if you're into supercars or you're into Pagani, like, this is definitely one that you would want in your collection. I don't feel like there's anything that's like, oh man, I wish they would have done this better. Now, obviously, you know, we all would love them to be a little less expensive, but I think it was worth the money, and they got this one to me pretty quick, so there's no complaints there. And I will do probably another one here coming up. So please check out the channel, tune in, keep tuning in, check out my other videos. I've been doing the reviews, I suppose maybe they're a little long for reviews. I'll try and shorten them up a little bit, but I'm trying to just review each car individually and give you guys a chance to see up the details as much as I can up close, as I didn't do in the first video. So let me know what you think. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see. Drop a, you know, what's your favorite casting? That'd be great. And check us out on Instagram. We're under Drop Diecast on there as well. We'll be posting some like photos. We'll probably have some different questions and polls, and then we'll be doing a giveaway for one of our first 100 followers or subscribers on followers on Instagram and subscribers on YouTube. So if you know, get those, you'll get a chance to get some sort of giveaway that we're going to put together a package and probably announce sometime next weekend over Memorial Day. But like I said, we did a Mother's Day launch of the channel, and we did a review of these, but we didn't get up close, so that's what we're trying to catch up now. So thanks for tuning in, and you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.